Now let's introduce the usage of GPS8-17. Connect the photovoltaic power to the upper N1 L1 port. N2 L2 connected to mains power. Connect the load to the lower end. Now powering the L1 supply. Connect after a 5-second delay. The L1 indicator light being on indicates that the load is currently powered by the main power supply. The L1 power supply voltage is displayed here. Supply L2 power. Here is the L2 power supply voltage. Now disconnect L1. The product immediately switches to L2 power supply. The L2 indicator light is constantly on. When restoring L1, the L1 light starts flashing. After a delay of a few seconds, it will switch back to L1 power supply. The L1 light is constantly on. Default L1 as the main power supply, with priority given to the main power supply. This is the power switch. Long press to control circuit on/off. The M key is the function setting key. Press and hold to access function settings. Here, you can set the over/under voltage values and the power on delay time. You can also set which power supply takes priority. Now set L2 as the main power source. Disconnect L2. The product automatically switches to L1 power supply. When restoring L2, the L2 light starts flashing. Delayed switching back to L2 power supply. When set to automatic transmission, there is no distinction between primary and backup at this time.